Then as you think of bending forward, begin that action by rotating. But I'd like you to consider just one thing in every asana. Think of an asana, it's your body with which you are doing asana. Think of an asana as home. Be at home in the asana. I know this is not your home, it actually is. Be at home in asana. So there might be physical struggle to do an asana. But isn't there struggle of living in your home? There is. You have to keep it clean and all that. If you don't clean your home, what would happen? It's going to get rather messy. Can't help it. That's the way of nature works. So in your body, be at home in the body. Have that sensation. Sit in Baddha Konasana. And I would suggest you have 2 blocks. If necessary, take a chair. Put enough height under your pelvis, under your sit bones, so that the knees are below the top of the thigh. And I will begin with the question. If I want to bend forward here, physically, what is necessary to happen in the body so I can bend forward? What's the first thing that should happen in any forward bend?
Exhale. Exhale.
Exhale? Okay. I'm talking of physical body, I'm not talking of breath. Where does the physical effect first show up? To begin leaning forward, what is the first thing that should happen in your body? Your thigh has to rotate in. That's where the forward bend begins, in rotation of the thigh. Now, Baddha Konasana is such that even as I sit in it, it's already rotated out. And if my knees are higher up, if there is that kind of tightness in the body, the thigh is not going to rotate in. So definitely sit high up enough if necessary. If need be, sit on a chair. But make sure the knee is below the top of the thigh. Then as you think of bending forward, begin that action by rotating the thighs in. Even before you bend forward at all, rotate the thighs in. And most people find that it's necessary with your hands to rotate the top of the femur in. Action does not begin by taking your head down. Action begins by rotating the thighs in. In fact, as you rotate the thigh in, lift the head up. Don't even bend forward. That's your intention to bend forward. But begin by lifting the head up, not down. If you can put your hands around the feet, use your arms to pull the head up more. As you pull the feet, pull the head up more, not down. Come and watch here, please. Thank you. Give this back to you. I put the block or a chair in front of me. Okay. And what I want to do here is lifting my head and chest up. I fold forward, not bend forward. Bend means you round your back. Don't do that. Lift the head up and try and touch this block with your nose. If I can touch it with my nose, I want to pull the block a little further away. Lift the chest, touch with the nose. I can still touch with my nose, push the block still further away. Push the block far enough away so that my nose cannot touch there, my forehead goes there. Then I keep repeating. Come up, bend back, take a couple of breaths if necessary, and repeat. After you've done this 20-30 times, decrease the height. And see if you can do that with a little less height. Again, if my nose touches there, I will move the block a little further away. Lift the head, go forward. It's my forehead that comes to the block. Then I repeat that 20-30 times. Then decrease the height of the block. If it's too low, I would again put a blanket under it or something. but keep decreasing the height that you go to touch. Repetition is the answer. Soon enough you will find that you can put the block there and go. Now this is the block is the same height as my thigh. The sit bones begin to come up. But learn to go down by lifting the chest up, not by rounding the back. Doing Baddha Konasana or any forward bend like this, where I'm collapsing my back, will not help you. It won't get any better if you practice that way. In fact, it might create more problems in the body. So, you are not bending forward, you're folding forward. Folding means from the hips, you're folding. Okay, don't round your back like that. Okay, go ahead and try that. I'll be back after dinner.